Hello, guys. How are you today? This is the new day that the Lord has made, and I will be glad and rejoice in it. Today, I want to read the words of the psalmist. Psalms 25, verse 1. It says, I will put my hope in the Lord. I will put my hope in the Lord. Why the psalmist is saying these words? Because he knows the Lord will never bring shame to him. And he continues to say, no one who hopes in the Lord will ever be ashamed. That is in verse 2. Guys, this week I want you to be reminded of the psalmist's words that when you put your hope in the Lord, the enemy will never trample upon your life because God will go ahead of you. I speak into your life this day. May you ask the Lord to show you the ways you shall walk in this week, to show you the ways you shall follow this week. As the psalmist speaks this, he continues to say, never remember the sins of my youth. Remember not the sins of my youth. He is requesting the Lord, not because our God is faithful. Yes, when you ask God for forgiveness, He forgets the things you did yesterday. He forgets the things you did in this morning. He forgets the things you did when you were young. Because the psalmist speaks knowing He is the God of our ancestors. Because He showed the ancestors the ways they were supposed to walk. And they walked in those paths to those who took heed to His words. Yes, I want you to know this week that the Lord will go before us. He will show us His ways because He is a faithful God. Yes, in verse 10 He says, if you obey the demands of my covenant, I want to walk in the covenant of God this week. I want to walk in His promises. The Lord is able to show me the ways I should walk. Yes, the Lord is faithful to us because no one God will put to shame when He follows His ways, when He follows His covenant. Yes, Lord, I speak that the creator of the universe, the creator of the heavens and the earth, He will remember you. He will remember your family. He will remember all that which your hands finds to do this week. He will bring healing to this land. He will bring healing to your body. He will bring healing to the land of Kenya. He will bring healing to Africa and also to the othermost parts of the world. That is a God we serve. Friends, I want you to know this day that we serve a mighty God who is faithful. The Lord is good, and He is good all the time. And that is His nature. Yes, may God remember you. May God show you your ways. You shall follow. May God lead you into the path that will show you the course you shall take this day. Yes, those who trust in the Lord, He will never put them to shame. Yes, I am among those God He will show the way this week, this day. Yes, that is my portion. He will guide me. He will never remember the sins of my youth. He will never remember the rebellious ways of my youth. Yes, the Lord is upright. The Lord is good. He instructs us. Yes, God is faithful to the latter. He will guide me. He will teach me His ways. Yes, He is faithful. He is the same yesterday, today, and forevermore. I will walk ye in it. He provides for me. He created me. He is my God. He is the King of Kings. He is the Lord of my life. He is my Savior. He is the Jehovah Jireh. He is the Jehovah Nisi. He remains to be faithful to me. I will triumph over my enemies because our God is faithful. He lives in me. Therefore, I can walk knowing I am strong. I am made strong in His power. Through His power, I am able to accomplish greater and mighty things. Friends, be blessed this week. Walk in His ways. Know that the Lord is a strong tower. He will never disappoint us. May God bless you. May God keep you. I am praying that this week will be a week you will encounter and experience God's faithfulness. Shalom, peace be upon you. Enjoy your week. Enjoy your day. And let your family enjoy in the land of the living. Shalom, peace be upon you.